Okay, so let's look at 11 and 15, and it looks like both of those you're having trouble with our cheapest link. All right, so I'm gonna draw this, and I think I can just draw it right here on the problem if I can get this thing to work. Let's see. Well, normally I had trouble not getting it to turn off, and now it just doesn't want to work, of course. Okay, so I'm gonna have to draw this in Word because my little Chrome thing is not working. So let's go to a page and let's put our 6 vertices on there. And I'm gonna spread them out a bit just so it'll make it a little bit easier. And we'll call this A, B, C, D, E, and F. And connect each one. Yeah, no, it's not straight, but hopefully you can draw better on paper than I can on this thing. And then connect B. Let's connect D. And I'll connect C. And E and F, and I think that does it. All right, now the hard part. Let's get all of the weights on here. So let's see. Going back. A to B is 52 miles. A to C is 41. So this is 52. This is 41. All right. And then let's see. A to D is 16 and to E is 43. Okay, so A to D is 16 and to E is 43. All right, and then A to F. A to F is 13. So 13 right here. Now I'm going to use a little bit different color. I know those are all my A to F or A to something routes. I'll use a different color just to make it easier to see. Okay, so B to C is 42, and then B to D is 38. So B to C, 42. This is 38. All right, and then let's see, B to E and B to F. B to E is 54, and to F is 23. 54 and 23. So this one's 54, and this one is 23. All right, and again, I'll change my color with each vertice. That way I won't lose track of any of the... All right, now let's see what C. C to D is 45 and to E is 1. Okay. C to D is 45 and this is 1. And then C to F is 33. This is 33. And then let's change for the next vertice. All right, so D to E is 29 and to F is 51. And then finally E to F. And then I should have them all labeled at that point. E to F is 60. Okay, so let's see, labeled, 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 labeled. Yeah, I think we're good. All right, so let's do cheapest link. And let's see if I can choose. Maybe I'll use this yellow marker. Okay, so cheapest link. Cheapest one is right here with 1 to begin with. All right, so now let's go and find the next cheapest. I'm seeing 13. I think it's 13. All right, now let's find the next cheapest, which would seem to be 16. Okay, let's see. After that, 23 looks like. 29 is next. Can I connect those? Yes, I can. And then really I've gone to every vertice at this point. But let's just kind of keep going with our cheapest link. Let's see, 33 would be next. We can't do that. That would have 3 going out of F. 38 would be next. We can't do that. That would be 3 going out of D. And then, so then it would be 41. We can't do that. That would be 3 going out of A. So then it would be 42. And we can do that. That will complete our circuit. Now, I don't know if it said which one to start with when we list it. Yeah, starting and ending at vertex A. So let's list what we've got. So A. Now we can go either way, A to D, to E, to C, to B, to F, and back to A. Or we could go, of course, backwards A, F, B, C, E, D, A. And when I look at yours, it looks to me like somehow you got your F and your B mixed up there. Maybe when you were listing it, or maybe you just accidentally grabbed one before you should have grabbed another one. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one, and I'll turn off the recording for the moment to draw it. Okay, so I think I've got it all marked here, and I believe we're supposed to do cheapest link. Yes, cheapest link. Okay, so let's go back. Cheapest link. Okay, so the cheapest link is 2, so let's shade that one. And then if we go to the next cheapest link, that is going to be 4. Let's see, I believe the next one is going to be 6. After that would be 7, but if we do 7, that's 3 coming out of E, so we can't choose that. 8 would be next, but again, that would be 3 coming out of E, can't do that. 9 would be next, can't do that, that's 3 coming out of D. So the next one would be 11, can't do that, that closes the circuit. So the next would be 13, we can do that. And then the next would be 14, which is going to completely close the circuit. Now I assume we're going to start with A again. Let's see. Yes, so if we list this one, we can go either way. A, B, E, D, C, A. Or, of course, we could have gone the other direction, A, C, D, E, B, A. Yeah, and so somewhere you got off here in the middle. because you don't have either of those two options.